Hello everyone, I'm Varshini and on behalf of my team, welcome to our project presentation. Our project is called NexusFlow, an autonomous AI engine for perishable inventory and logistics optimization. This project is developed under the valuable guidance of Dr. Rajanala Vijay Prakash Sir, Department of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, SR University. Let me quickly introduce my team members. I myself, Varshini, handle the complete backend development and ML model predictions module, and Satvika, who worked on the front-end development, Vishwavardhini, who handled the testing department, validating all the edge cases, Supraja, who worked on the documentation and the requirement analysis for the complete project, and finally Niyati, who handled the UI research and design. Coming to the core problem, business across retail stores, supermarkets, warehouses, and distribution centers lose thousands of rupees every day because products expire on shelves, stock runs out without any warnings, and there is zero visibility into profit margins. Especially, there is no batch level expiry tracking, no automated sell priority, and no real time stock alerts. And restocking is purely based on gut feeling. Over 12 million businesses lose 4 to 8% of annual revenue purely to expiry waste. So here comes a solution where NexusFlow fixes all of that through 5 intelligent modules. First one is the FEFO batch engine, which ensures oldest stock always sells first. Real-time alerts notify before stockouts happen. ML forecasting predicts the next 3 months of the demand. The write-off engine records every rupee to lost to expiry, and expiry deals recover value from near expiry products before they become a complete loss. One unified platform solving every problem intelligently is our solution through this Nexus Flow, where it is built on React 18 for the front end, Python FastAPI for the backend, and MongoDB as a database, and scikit-learn for the machine learning and training the model. Let me walk you through every feature what we built live now. So here this is the overview dashboard. The first thing the shop owner sees when they open an NexusFlow. At the top we are having 4 stat cards showing the total revenue, net profit, total SKUs and units sold. All are calculated live from the real sales data in MongoDB. You can see the percentage trend indicator on each card. And here we are having a revenue and profit area chart. This shows the monthly breakdown of how much revenue versus profit was made. And on the right here we are having sales by category donut pie chart showing which product category contributes the most to revenue. In this case, dairy leads at around 44%. And here we are having monthly units sold bar chart. And this is the stock health radar showing how each product's current quantity compared to its reorder level. All these charts are powered by Recharts and connected to the live MongoDB data. This is the inventory page and every product in this is shown with its SKU, category, product name, quantity, cost price, selling price, expiry date and status badge. Here in stock in green color and low stock in amber color and expired in red color can be seen. These are calculated in the real time from the actual stock levels and expiry dates. The expiry column also shows the remaining days. You can see 2 days, next days to the product expiring soon, highlighted in its visual warning color. And I can also search across all products by name, SKU and category using the search bar. And now let me show you the action menu where each product has a drop down with 5 actions like edit price, view batches, restock, sell and delete. Here we can see that the sell option is only completely blocked to those where to expired products. This is a safety feature. The system prevents expired stock from being sold from both the front end and the back end API level. So now let's see how this restock, sell, everything works efficiently in this. So now let's see. Here I'm going to first restock. So it is here asking us about the quantity. Let's make it as 50. And about the expiry date, let's keep it 4th April. And let's keep it the price as 50 and 55 if there is any changes in the market. So if I add stock, here we can see the stock has been added and new batch has been created in this. If we see here in the what we have added, here in view batches we can see the respective batch we have added just now. It is April 4th, just now we have added 50 kgs. Let's see. And how it works with sell we can see now. So if you want to sell, See, available total is 100 grams and 2 batches are available. So if I take 80, so it takes from the nearest batch which is going to be expired and the rest from the next batch. So like this, we can confirm the sale, and it also shows total cost, total profit, and what is the margin we are going to get. So when we confirm here, we can see the pop-up which shows all the calculations, and when we press OK here, we can see it got sold. Yeah, here we got reduced by 50 units as per now. And when we want to see for the expired one, we cannot see the sell option, and if we want to view batches, it is already expired and it is in red color, so we can just write off it as it deletes completely from this, and it adds to the loss tracker one. So here we can't see out of stock, here we can see this as just now we have write down that. And low stock, that means it is getting borderline to the reorder level. So now let's add a product into the inventory and check. So this is the add product page. Now let me add a product called white bread, and it is in the category of grains or some other bakery items like etc. And let me take quantity as 5 kg, and it's reorder to be 2 kg, and cost price to be okay, let's keep 30, and selling price to be 35, and let the expiry date be that as 6th April. And let's add the product. Now it is redirecting to the inventory page, and just we can see that how the white bread is added to the cart or like inventory page. So again it will be having the same features just as showed now. So that's all about the add project. And here the SKU unit is always taken by default itself, and there is something algorithm we have written behind it. So how it is taken, it's in inbuilt code. Now here comes the alert center. All the alerts are divided into 4 categories: critical for out of stock products, warning for low stock below the reorder level, expiry for products expiring within 7 days, and ML insights for predictions based on recommendations. All of these are generated automatically. The system creates them after every sell, restock, update, and write off operation, and we never manually create the alerts. The system automatically shows according to the algorithm and products being added into the inventory. And each alert shows the product name, message, and timestamp, and it can be individually dismissed. Now here in inventory we can see a brown bread which is already out of stock. Let's say it is present in alerts or not. So here it is, we can see that out of stock brown bread, 0 units are remaining, and restock to be immediately. So like this it recommends automatically from the inventory page. Now let's move to the predictions page, where it is powered by scikit-learn's linear regression model. System fetches all sales records from MongoDB, groups them by month, and trains a linear regression model where month number is the feature and revenue, profit, or units sold is a target. It then predicts the values for the next 3 months and displays them here. Now notice the R-square score. This is the confidence metric, and which is a strong fit for the size of the dataset. This helps the shop owner how much stock to order for the next 3 months. No more guessing based on the gut feeling, right? Like okay. And coming to the logistics page, it handles delivery and supply chain tracking. Shop owners also can log their supply deliveries, track transit status, and maintain buyer records, and keeping them full supply chain visible in one place. Then moving to the expiry deals, it is a value recovery mechanism where a product is approaching expiry and the shop owner wants to move it quickly. They can create a discounted deal here. Now the badge showing 4 active deals on the right side here. Each deal shows the product, the discount percentage, the deal price, and the expiry date of the deal. This helps the shop owner to recover at least a partial value before the product becomes a complete write-off loss. So it's a simple but powerful feature, turning potential waste into revenue. So the next comes the loss tracker page, where the loss tracker, here all the details are fetched from the inventory. Whenever we write off anything, like here whenever these are the write off batches to be moved into the loss tracker. So let's see example how it is done. So whenever here I write off, so here this much amount of 200 units of farm X will be written off, and then we can see this data will be stored in the loss tracker. Now let's go and check there. Now let's check in the loss tracker. So here we can see the farm X, just now 200 quantity we have just written off, and we can see in the loss tracker page, and we can see how much loss we are getting when the products are not being sold after the expiry date has been done. So this is all about the project, and thank you for this opportunity. Thank you all.